Ninth class mathematics, unit number 4, algebraic expressions and algebraic formulas. Exercise number 4.2. Students, for exercise number 4.2 there are some important formulas through which we can solve all questions of exercise number 4.2. So let's write those formulas first. Have a look. First formula is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Second formula is a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. The third formula is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2a square plus 2b square. How this result we got? Basically, this is the result of adding by these two formulas. We have written these formulas first. Whenever we will add these both, a plus b whole square plus into a minus b whole square is equal to 2a square plus 2b square. Or we can also write this one by taking common 2 from both values. 2 into a square plus b square. Whenever we have taken common 2. Fourth formula is a plus b whole square minus into a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. What we have done here? Basically, we have added these both formulas as it's addition of these both formulas. So whenever we are adding these two terms, that is 2a square plus 2b square, they have opposite signs, so both are deducted, both are cut to each other, and we got 2a square plus 2b square, and then taking common 2 into a square plus b square. Fourth formula also the same criteria is used here, just like in third one we have done. Differences of just sign. Whenever we are taking difference of these both formulas, so what we got? The result is 4ab. A plus b whole square minus into a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. These two formulas, very important formula, you can say. Number 5. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus. The fifth one formula is a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. It's fifth formula. Next come to the sixth formula, that is a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, or implies that a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Basically, that is its extension form. When we expand it, so we can get this formula. Both are equal to each other. Seventh formula is a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. These both formulas are same, but sign is different. Here a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, or next extended. The seventh one is just sign is different here. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, eighth one. These are very important formulas, students. Okay, students, our eighth formula is a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. Ninth formula is a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. These are 9 important formulas. Students, these should be on your fingertips. Now come to the exercise number 4.2. Question number 1, part 1. If a plus b is equal to 10 and a minus b is equal to 6, then find the value of a square plus b square. Students, let's check that from these formulas, which formula we will apply in question number 1. As you know, we have done these 9 formulas we have written, and now according to our sense, we will check which formula we will apply in question number 1, and we can find the value of a square plus b square. As you know, a plus b is given. It's given data. A minus b is equal to 6 and a plus b is equal to 10. 2 values are given, and third one, a square plus b square, we have to find by ourselves by placing the values in any formula from these formulas. Okay, let's check. If we will apply this formula, here we need AB values, whereas AB value is not given in question. If we will apply this formula also, AB we need, whereas we haven't AB value in question number 1, part 1. So we should apply that formula in which we can put these values and we can find the value easily. So what's about the third formula? Third formula is a plus b whole square plus into a minus b whole square. बेटा हम वो फॉर्मूला इस क्वेश्चन में यूज़ करेंगे जिसमें हम इजीली वैल्यूज़ प्लेस कर सकें और जो हमें वैल्यूज़ गिवन हो. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट and we will apply the third one. This one formula, a plus b whole square plus into a minus b whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. Now let's place the values. A plus b whole square value is, a plus b value is 10. Place this value here. इस वैल्यू को पुट किया. a minus b is 6. इसको पुट किया. 2 into a square plus b square we haven't, because that is required to find. So we will write it as it is. Take its square, 100. By taking its square, that is 36. The rest will be same. Whenever we will add them, we get 136 as it is same. So we need a square plus b square. 2 is extra, means 2 is multiplying here, so it will be divided over there. 136 divided by 2. 2 6 are 12 and 2 8s are 16. And that is 68 a square plus b square. It's answer of question number 1 part 1 a square plus b. Okay, students, our question number 1 part 2. If a plus b is equal to 5, a minus b is equal to square root 17, then find the value of ab. As given data is a plus b is equal to 5, a minus b is equal to square root 17, and then we have to find the value of AB. Students, we will use that formula in which we can place the values of a plus b, a minus b and ab. Means in that formula we can find ab value and we can place these values first. Okay, वो फार्मूला यूज़ करेंगे जिसमें ये सारी वैल्यूज़ कवर हो जाएं और हमारी ए बी वैल्यू जो रिक्वायर्ड वैल्यू है वो फाइंड आउट हो जाए. सो लेट्स कम टू दैट फार्मूला, दैट इज़ 4ab is equal to a plus b whole square minus into a minus b whole square. Now placing the values, for ab as it is, because we have to find ab value. A plus b, what value is there? Is 5. Minus a minus b value is square root 17. 4ab is equal to 5 5s are 25, or by opening square, square is cut with square root, that is 17. 4ab is equal to 8. We have to find ab, so what to do? ab is equal to 8 by 4 and ab is equal to 4 to the 8. Its ab value is 2 now while using this formula. Okay, so students, question number 2, exercise number 4.2. If a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 45 and a plus b plus c is equal to -1, then find the value of ab plus bc plus ca. Two values are given and third one is required to find. So what is the given data here? That is a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 45. A plus b plus c is equal to -1 and ab plus bc plus ca we have to find. Which formula we will apply here? स्टूडेंट्स देखिए बेटा, अगर आप लोगों को ये सब फॉर्मूलाज अगर याद होंगे ना, यू कैन प्लेस एनी फार्मूला इन एनी क्वेश्चन अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट नीड. सो आपको देखने में समझ आ रही होगी कि ए प्लस बी प्लस सी किस में यूज़ होता है, ए बी प्लस बी सी प्लस सी ए किस में यूज़ होता है, ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर किस में यूज़ होता है. इसके लिए सेकंड एक ऑप्शन आपको मैं ये भी बताऊंगी कि आपने फार्मूलाज जितने भी बने वो उसने लिखवाए थे लास्ट लेक्चर में, उसको सबको आपने यू हैव टू प्लेस इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू वाइल डूइंग वाइल सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चंस, एंड देन इन दिस वे यू कैन गेस दैट विच फार्मूला वी कैन अप्लाई एंड विच इज़ suitable for that question. Okay, so let's see these three values in which formula we can just place. That formula is a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2, in short form we will write 2ab plus bc plus ca. We can open up as well this value, but I have just written in simple form because we have to place the values and we have to find these values, so it's taken common. A plus b plus c whole square, Is it value present here? Yes, it's present. It's minus 1 whole square. A square plus b square plus c square also given, that is 45. These after placing the values, after inserting values, plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca, that is required to find. Okay, so its square is open, that will be negative, negative, positive, and 1 ones are 1. 45 plus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. What to do? We can't add these both because that is multiplied with AB plus BC plus CA. So that's why it will be remain with that value. So we can take it with 1. Here it was positive, and whenever coming with 1 and is coming with the on the other side of the equal sign, so its sign will be changed. AB plus BC as it is, the rest value will be same. So it's negative 44 because positive negative is with greater value. So 2 into AB plus BC plus C. What to do now? We have to find this value. So 2 will be divided on both sides, you can say, or 2 is multiplied here, so it will be divided on the other side of equality. So minus 22, that is AB plus BC plus CA. Now AB plus BC plus CA is equal to minus 22. So correct answer. Okay students, that is question number 2. And now come to the question number 3. Question number 3 you can do by yourself with the same method as already you have done. This type of questions you can use just formulas and insert the values and find the required value. If m plus n plus p is equal to 10 and mn plus np plus mp is equal to 27, then find the value of m square plus n square plus p square. 2 values are given, and third one is to find. So you can do by yourself question number 3, 4 and 5 with the same method. You can solve on your registers. Okay, you must solve on your registers, and I'll check